Welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Look at the top stories. ONGC makes a bid for oil fields in the Arctic. Satyam's board will review the company's audited results on the 29th. And the Sensex races past the 20,000 mark, while the Nifty closes at more than 6,000. We begin with ONGC, which is in the race to acquire two massive oil deposits in the Arctic. On Tuesday, a Russian minister said ONGC was the only foreign firm that had bid for the two fields. The company bid for the Trebs and Titov fields through its Russian subsidiary Nord Imperial. 5 Russian companies also bid for the fields. Both the Arctic deposits are considered strategic by Russia and may not be given to foreign firms like ONGC that are acting alone. And in other news, the RBI's rate hikes from last week are already having an impact. On Tuesday, Kotak Mahindra raised the interest rates on its term deposits by 25 basis points with immediate effect. The increase will apply to deposits that have a maturity of more than 1 year. Moving on, Cain Energy is a step closer to finalizing its deal to sell a stake in its Indian subsidiary. The company has announced it will ask shareholders for approval of the deal to sell a majority stake in Cain India to Vedanta. Cain will hold a meeting with shareholders on the 7th of October. The UK-based company wants to sell between 40 and 51% of Cain India for up to $8.5 billion. Cain Energy owns just over 62% of Cain India. Also in corporate, Satyam's audited financial results are finally available for scrutiny. The company said its board will review the results for fiscal 2009 and 2010 next Wednesday. Once the review is through, Mahindra Satyam is expected to come closer to a merger with Tech Mahindra. As of now, Tech Mahindra continues to run Mahindra Satyam as a separate entity, even though it bought the company back in April of 2009. Stocks of Satyam went up more than 4% on the BSE on Tuesday to close at 95 rupees and 25 paise. And finally, Indian markets have crossed major psychological milestones for the first time in more than 2.5 years. The Sensex surged 95 points on Tuesday to close at 20,002. And the Nifty gained 29 to finish trade at 6,009. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.